This is literal first track stunt stuff. Oh. You. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is unlike anything you'll ever experience anywhere else. Oh my god. It's so deep. Dude, oh my god, I need to stop. My legs are burning like they've never burnt before. Oh shit, oh fuck. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. That crash happened so slowly. Oh, there's fucking snow on my head. Oh. I don't even know what happened. I just got caught in a rut or something. Oh my god. Oh, I do. Hold on, just let me get some snow off my hand. Oh shit, this is going to be a difficult hike. We might need a slight intermission for this one. Fuck. Let me just grab up my pole here. Can I just say, that crash honestly just felt like I was falling into a pillow. There was nothing about that hurt at all, because I was just falling down into a pillow. Oh shit, I'm gonna fall again. Alright, I need to make this my downhill ski. This is too painful. But I don't know how, because I only got one boot on. So I can't do one of those cool little switchback turns. Ugh. Oh shit. Can I dive for that? No, I think I need a few more steps. Come on. Pull. Oh my god. It's like completely buried. Fuck. Oh shit. Okay. I think I'm now close enough that if I dive, I can get there. So something hit. Let me just clear the snow. My ski just went down into the snow, and then my other ski just came straight over the top of it. Dude, this is actual heaven, though. Like, okay. Oh shit. Fuck. Shit. Oh. Yeah, that crash happened in slow motion. Okay, let's get this binding back down. Oh, there we go. And let's make a nice... Oh, fuck. It's so deep, I can't move. I can't get up. There we go. Oh, it's all on my hand. Oh, it's all on my gloves. All right. It's taken me longer to get up and get the ski than it has the ski down this whole thing. Fuck. Press that in there. And now... Oh, god damn it. Oh, unlucky. Oh, fuck. Oh, this is impossible. Right. I need to get this. Just fling this around. No! There's more people coming. I'm gonna get like 5th tracks at this rate. Fuck. There we go. Let's beat this guy to it. Fuck, move. Go. Ooh.